Jibhi, a small picturesque village nestled in Himalayan mountain range of Himachal Pradesh, India. It is famous for the lush green landscapes and spectacular waterfalls amid pine forest. The place also has the best trekking routes with glorious view of great Himalayan ranges. It has some of the magnificent tourist spots like Jalori Pass, Kullu, Rakpur Fort, Jibhi Waterfalls, Jibhi Valley and Saroskar Lake. Jibhi is located in the Tirthan Valley of Himachal Pradesh. The dense pine forests, tranquil freshwater lakes and pristine temples make this place worth visiting. Jibhi is a hidden gem that is still relatively unknown to the outside world, but it is gaining popularity as a go-to destination for travelers looking to experience a slice of rural life in the Himalayas. Jibhi is located in the Banjar Valley of Himachal Pradesh, about 40 kilometers from the popular hill station of Manali. Jibhi offers you ample opportunities to make your vacation more memorable. Apart from these places, adventure enthusiasts can also indulge in angling in Tirthan River. And if you are more inclined for a relaxed vacation, just sit back and take the scenic views of the sport and the hospitality of the residents. The homestays and guest houses offer traditional Himachali style architecture with stone and wood constructions and warm, homely interiors. Hidden discreetly inside a lush green forest, Jibhi Waterfall is one of the best places to soothe your senses. The sight of the gushing of waterfall along with many small wooden bridges is a sight to behold. It is situated deep inside a forest. While walking into the waterfall, you will come across numerous wooden bridges in the path, which makes the place picturesque. The place is very enchanting and the music of the water flowing by makes for an amazing experience. If you are lucky, you will also be looking at the rainbow in the waterfall in the night. If you are looking for a peaceful, off-beaten path destination that offers a mix of adventure, culture and relaxation, Jibhi is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel inspiration videos.